Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be reviewing a new tech from Temu, which is this one. Yep, I know it's been long since I've uploaded the last video, but here we are again, and let's get straight into the video. Yep, it's a headphone from Lenovo. At the back you got the charging input. That's the headphone. Well, it looks kind of dead, so let's charge it up and test some sound quality. Well, it's charging. Let's speed up the video and jump forward to testing. Actually, by the way, the field quality, it's plastic. This is about 16 bucks. Well, you get what you paid for. Well, now it's all connected to my ear and on my phone. Just have to do some sound check. There's some buttons on the earbuds and I'll try and see what it's for. Pause and play if you press one either side. So you double tap on the left for volume down and double tap on the right to volume up. Well, what does triple tap does? Oh, okay, so triple tap on the left to go backwards and triple tap on the right to go forward. Well, that's it for the video. If you do like this video, make sure to subscribe and do leave a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below which product should I try next, and I will try and get it. Cheers!